Okay, so the cleanup begins. Cleanup continues. It smells so delicious. I'll pull the alternator out so I can get to the coolant temp sensor. Replace that while we're in there. But while you're at it, says it goes. It's all cleaned out. Ryan did a nice job on this. So a little time lapse. Clean some grounds here. Okay, we're starting to put parts back on. Coolant temp sensors in. Let's put the alternator back in. Of course, we're waiting on a new map sensor and the thermostat because for whatever reason, early LS1s have the thermostat integrated into the thermostat housing. So tomorrow I order just the thermostat. Listen to me. Okay, intake's on Sunday. Our parts arrived. There we go. It's alive. It's alive.